So I don't want your Roblox account getting hacked. So please watch this video all the way until the end and I'll show you how you can prevent your Roblox account getting hacked. If it helps you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. So anybody can protect their Roblox account from getting hacked, and it is very easy and very simple, but the way I'm about to show you is very efficient in stopping hackers. So right now I'm on Roblox, I'm logged into my account here, and what you would do is you would do the same, you would log in, then go to the settings icon in the top right hand corner, and then go to settings. Now when you're in settings here, you'll see a bunch of settings that you may be familiar with already. Now the main one that we need to address here is the email address. So you need to add an email address to your account. So this could be your parents' email address, it could be your email address, but this is important to stop hackers from hacking your account. So I'm going to add an email now, and I'm going to add one of my emails. Then click add email, and it should say an email address has been sent for verification. Now what you need to go and do, you can see here it's pending verification. Now you need to go to that email that you've added. So here you can see I've got an email from Roblox, and you will have the same email, and it basically says that you can verify the email by clicking on the button. So now what you've done is you've added a new email address to your Roblox account and you've been given a free hat. So now if we go back into settings, we go to settings and then we go to account info, you can see the email address is verified. Now we need to go to privacy or security, and here we can click and enable two-step verification. So when you enable two-step verification, every time you try and log into your Roblox account, you will be sent a code to the email address. So if a hacker tries to get onto your account, and if a hacker has your password and your username, they won't be able to get onto your account because it will send you a code straight away that you need to enter in on Roblox every time you try and log in. So that's how you can secure your Roblox account. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.